Welcome to Farm Animals, children. Today we are going to learn about farm animals. Are you ready? What's this? Sheep. Ba, 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 sheep. This is sheep. What's this? It's a goose. Goose. Cute goose. Wow. What is this? Horse. Horse. Neigh, neigh. Horse. Wow. What's this? Chicken. Chicken. Bok, 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 bok. Chicken. What's this? It's a goat. Goat. Meh, meh, meh. Goat. Wow. What's this? Pig. What does pig says? The pig says oink 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 pig. Wow. What's this? Donkey. A donkey. This is a donkey. Wow. What is this? It's a duck. Quack, quack, quack. Duck. Rubber ducky. Duck, duck, duck. Wow. What is this? This is a rabbit. Beep, beep. Rabbit, 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 rabbit. Wow, so cute. Cute rabbit. Wow. What's this? Oh, and we are done. You need to come back again for more videos on Fastlearnerkids TV, children. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you next time. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fastlearnerkids TV. Thank you.